What's up, YouTube? This is the Passive Income Tracker coming back at you today with another update with my Clickbank series. On this channel, guys, we're going to be talking about financial things such as passive income, cryptocurrency, and stocks. Okay, let's get into today's video. And if you need to, go ahead and pause the video so you can read this quick disclaimer. I'll give you a couple seconds to do that if you need to pause it as well. Okay, so guys, go ahead and give me the LNS special, the like and the subscribe. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button before we get into today's content, and let's go. Today we're going to be doing the Clickbank series where I'm taking emails from my lead gen secret, and all I'm going to be doing is taking those emails that I have from my lead gen secret, and I'm going to be emailing them. Let me go ahead and log in this account so I can show you. And my lead gen secret is a lead generation site where you pay $1 a day. Well, you pay for the month. You pay $30 for the month, but the first month is $60 because it's a $30 fee for the first month and a $30 processing fee slash admin fee. So it's $6 for the first month. It's $30 for every month after that. And what they do is they send you a list of emails that are interested in business opportunities. And these are the emails that I've sent so far in this campaign. This is an email that I sent on yesterday, and these are emails that I sent kind of like 2 days in a row, which I kind of messed up. So don't do that. Make sure you come back in here if necessary to double check to make sure you're not sending the same email, because more than likely the next day, even though you send more, your clicks and your open rate is normally going to, all of your stats are normally going to go down if you do that. But it looks like mine didn't, but you don't want to do that. And let's go back up here. Also, you can look up here at the previous mailing, and you can also come in and just, if you want to do the same mailing, you can just press load. It'll take you straight to the screen. So you have to do is select all your emails, which I have 24,000 because I had an older account that I reactivated when I joined again. See, and everything's already loaded. So if I want to resend this email or even just reload it and go ahead and add some, go ahead and tweak it and edit it, I can do that and then resend it. But we're not going to be able to do that today because just like yesterday when I signed in, I still have time before, right now I have 2.5 hours before I can send my next email, because it's 23 hours after I send my last email that I can send again. So there's no unlimited mailings, which is a good thing, which it wouldn't mess up the email system for everyone involved by spamming every 30 minutes, every minute, people just sending out emails. So that kind of helps us to keep this mailing system around. Now, my lead gen secret has been around for a couple years, and I'm pretty sure that's one of the reasons why. You can also come over here and check your stats, and as you can see, right now, today's clicks are going to be low because these are actually people who are clicking today. Well, this is from the 11th, but I'll also have clicks for today that were from yesterday because of the emails that were sent. And those emails, some people don't read the first day; they may read them the next day. So that's another thing with the emailing system is like once you send an email out, it can also be people clicking on this link from yesterday, from a lead that you sent. Now let's go to the leads. Here are all of my leads that I've just gotten this year, and as you can see, there's a space from 2022 is when I reopened my account, and I didn't know, but they actually added all the other leads that I had from when I first joined, which was back in 2020, which was in March. This was when I pretty much canceled my account the last time I joined, and the reason I canceled because I didn't have the patience, the wherewithal to understand to keep going, that I'm going to need a lot of these emails to send through to get into profit, which now I do understand. So now I have multiple accounts. So I have 5 accounts now, and I'm going to be sending each one of those accounts. I'm going to be using each one of those accounts to send emails to from a product on the Clickbank marketplace, and I'm going to be doing that for the next 30 days. I may even go longer. My goal was to try to get to $4,000 per month using this particular system, but we'll see where it goes from here. Let's see. So let's go to the mailing system, and what you would normally do, come in, you would select all, come in and type in your email, or you would copy and paste it. What we would do is we would go to Clickbank, and this is pretty much a master account. On a master account, you can have multiple accounts. I click on my ID that I'm using to test out these emails, and then I can go to, there's 2 places you can go from here. It's normally what most places, it's either the marketplace, which is where the offers are, or you go to reporting, which is where the stats are. We're going to go to the marketplace so I can show you where to get those swipe files that you can use absolutely for free, that you don't have to create on your own. So we're going to go down to e-business and marketing. Okay. Hit OK again. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the rank to gravity. The gravity is pretty much the offer that a lot of people are already had already gotten sales on. That's pretty much what the gravity is. So the highest gravity score right now is get paid to use Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. You click on the affiliate page. Most companies have them. Like, even if you don't find it there, most companies have an affiliate page. If not, let's see, this one. Well, it looks like pretty much all of them have an affiliate page. If they don't have one, you can pretty much just go to their website and you can pretty much create an email from there. Or I also have swipe files. If someone decides to join and they want to do exactly what I'm doing, I have like 100 swipe files that I can give out that you probably have to edit and just make sure that it's congruent with the offer that you're sending. Okay, so the swipe files for this particular offer, you should go to the page. I don't want the notifications. So this is pretty much where they give you all of the tools that you will need to promote the offer. And this is what a lot of affiliate programs would do. They will give you extra tools that you can use to promote their offer, which helps them and you as well. But we're going to be going to the email swipe. They also have pay-per-click. They have short ads. They have videos. And just because I have a YouTube video, if I wanted to, I can do this. And they allow, I'm pretty sure they would allow you to. So you can download these, download them beneath. Each video is a direct download link, so you can save the video file to your computer and then upload it to your website or video streaming service. So if I wanted to, I can download these. If I had a like, my page is about making money, so if I wanted to, I can download these and direct it right on my page and put a link down below for those who are interested in doing that as well. If I wanted to do that, you know, but I'm not going to do that. As far as right now, I'm not going to do it. So later on, I may think about it just to see if it'll work, just to see if it'll help. But here are the email swipes. You come to email swipe number 1, and what I would say do is you can use either the subject or the pre-header. You can use this one as well if you want to change it up. If you're coming back through and you've done it, and you've done all 10 of the emails, you can come back around a second time. I don't think all of them have, but you can come back and just copy the pre-header, copy that, and then you come back over to my other page, which is here. These are saved emails. Just gonna Control V as in victory. He'll pay $950 a week if you'll work for him, and you can just come back over to the swipe files and you copy the body, all the way down to the signature. And something else I almost forgot on the first one is, with this, it's already on this one. See, the brackets on here are going to be different than the brackets that are on this particular swipe file that you have. Press Control A, delete that, Control V. And what you would do is come in, what you really can do is just come up here, first name, and just copy that, Control C, go back down, and you just replace it, delete it, and just add it in there. Also, you want to read some of this if it's your first time editing these swipe files. Some vloggers are looking for ordinary users from, you can just put your area or whatever makes sense to put there, from your area to manage position, blah blah blah. Then you come down here, just hit this blue link, and what you're going to do is highlight this, hit this button that looks like 2 chains connected, and you go back over here. This is what you can do. Go back to the affiliate page, go back to Clickbank, go to the offer, and you click promote. My nickname's already there. Create a hop link, copy the hop link, then you go back, Control V, and you put it in there. And as you see, the system automatically takes out the HTTPS or the HTTP and just leaves that there. You press OK, and now this link becomes clickable when you send out the email. Don't forget to do that as well before you click send when it's time to send the email, or you're just going to be sending out a email with no links for people to click on if they are interested. And all you want to do here is replace this with your name, and that's pretty much it. You hit perfect timing, and there'll be a send button down here when this timer disappears. You hit perfect timing is pretty much where they predict the optimal time for delivery of each mail every single day. And that's it, guys. Let's go ahead and go to Clickbank so I can show you the stats on the links that I was able to, excuse me, from the emails I was able to send out on yesterday. Click on the name, come back, and we're going to go to reporting, and you go down here. Now, as you can see, even today, you have clicks, 105 clicks for today, even though you sent this on email on yesterday. And when I send my other email later on today, the clicks will increase because people from today will be clicking. So this is a continuation of the clicks. If I had 100,000 emails, I would probably be getting clicks on my link for a couple of days, maybe even up to a week, depending on when the people receive the email, when they have time to read the email, if I send them multiple emails. So it'll depend on all of those situations, depending on how big of a list you have. It's also going to depend on how fast you receive a sale. Let's come down here, and if you can't see, it's saying my total amount of hops are 1,328. Total hops per impression is 440. I only have 3 order form impressions, so when those impressions starting to go up, that's when you can expect to get a sale. So right now we just had 3. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. My profit right now, oh, there's one more thing I almost forgot. Let me go to my little spreadsheet about Clickbank. Today is day 7. Account balance is still at 0, so I'm still at a negative 270 until I get a profit. So I start getting some sales in. So right now I'm negative 270, but this is the cost that it was for me to open up the 5 accounts. And because one of my accounts was actually an older account that I had before, the one that you saw with the 20,000 emails, they only charged me $30 to just reactivate that account. So it wasn't 30 plus a 30 activation fee. It was only $30 for that one account, and the other 4 accounts I had to pay 60, which was $30 for the first month and $30 for the activation of the account, or the administration fee, whichever one they call it. So that's 60 times 4, 240 plus the 30, that's 270. So I'm minus 270 right now until my account, I'm going to start to make sales, and then I'm going to let you guys know how long it, and you have a pretty good idea of how long it takes with 5 accounts, which 4 are brand new and 1 is an older account. And I'll give you an idea of how long it would take to get a sale, at least for my account. And it also depends on the offer. If you're sending the copy and swipe emails, if you're editing the emails, all those things come into play. But if you do go ahead and edit those emails, then you'll more than likely get a better response, because more likely a lot of people are seeing similar emails, so they may not click on it. That's it, guys. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me the LNS special. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm out.